Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today let's talk about body scrubs. And lately I have tried few body scrubs. Some of them are good, but some of these are quite bad. And in this video, I'm only going to talk about physical scrubs. First, I'm going to talk about gel scrubs, which are lightweight and quite good for summers. And always use scrub on damp skin. So first I have this scrub from Mom's Co. Initially when I applied this scrub, I did not like this. The granules seemed kinda harsh, the smell was weird, texture was okay, but when I wash it off, my skin actually feels quite soft, and I didn't expect that because the granules, the smells, those left me kind of negative impression. But I have to tell you, it leaves my skin super soft and it exfoliates quite well. I mean, you have to be very gentle with this scrub. Overall, it was nice. Next, I have this Plum Body Loving Cherry Scrub. I bought this scrub long time back, and after that the brand sent me the PR. So this is the old scrub I bought, and it is quite nice. It has this gel texture, it has few surfactants, so you can skip a body wash when you're gonna use this scrub. And I love using this when I shave my body. It works well. Overall, a decent gel scrub. I like the granules, texture, the smell of the scrub more, but the Mom's Co gel scrub leaves my skin softer than this scrub. Next, I have Nykaa Wonderlust Sea Salt Scrub. I hate this scrub very much. Only thing I like about this scrub is the texture, nothing else. It makes my skin itchy. I do not like the smell. It didn't work for me. I'm using this on my feet just to finish it. Next, I have Simple Clear Pore Scrub. It actually is meant to be used on face, but on my face I use chemical exfoliants. So I've been using this on my body and it works fine as a body scrub. It has very good texture, granules are decent, it has few surfactants, so it can work as both a body wash and scrub. But if you're into like hardcore scrubbing, then it is not gonna be like enough for you. Next, I have scrubs that can be used as body mask as well. And first I have this Pilgrim scrub. The texture, when I saw it, it was kind of weird. You have to put water in it to make it like softer, then you can use it on your body, and it is quite good. It gives moderate exfoliation. I massage this on my body for like 2 to 3 minutes, then I leave it on for like 4 to 5 minutes. It exfoliates well, makes my skin super soft, but the application can be messy because of the texture, and just mix water with the scrub before using it if you choose to get this one. And I had good experience with this scrub, and on my face I'm not wearing this scrub, I'm wearing a face pack. Sometimes it feels good, this shower routine, scrubs, packs, this and that. These things feel nice. So next I have this another scrub from Plum. I have to tell you one thing, it doesn't scrub that much. The granules are something like, it melts in like 20 seconds. That's all. It mostly works as a body pack or body mask, whatever you can call it. But when it comes to scrubbing, it doesn't do much because the granules, they melt like in no time. But I use this as a body mask. It makes my skin really soft, like super soft. But if you're looking for a scrub, you're going to be disappointed with this one. Now, cream scrubs. This can be very good for dry skin for winters. I have this Aroma Magic Mineral Glow Scrub. It is meant to be used on face, but I don't recommend you to use it on face. Please don't do that because the granules, I don't think it's gonna be a good idea to use it on your face. But as a body scrub, it works very fine, makes my skin soft, exfoliates well. Overall, it is a nice thing. And they have one coffee scrub as well. You can use this on your body. that was kind of expensive. So this one is from Palmer's, and this is my favorite. It is kind of, you know, cream meets oil scrub. I mean, it has oils, then it has creamy texture, everything, and the granules are quite good, and I love this. This is my favorite cream scrub, and just look at the texture. It's quite good. It smells good too, and I don't mind, you know, fragrance in my washer products. So this Sukin scrub is a coffee walnut scrub. It has decent texture, granules are not too harsh. It is okay. It is a, if you are into like walnut based scrubs, it can be a good option for you. So this St. Ivy scrub is infamous for being harsh, but I think it can be work as body scrub. The granules are quite, you know, I mean, it's harsh, but on body it works fine. I have used Lotus walnut scrub and the granules were way harsher than this one. I won't put this on my face, but it works on my body, and I like the creamy texture. So now I have this powder scrub I bought from Bella Vita Organic. It is bad. The brand says to mix it with water, mix it with cream. I did everything. It doesn't work. It is super harsh. Smell is weird. Bad buy. I do not recommend this. It is a face and body scrub. Definitely no. Big no for face. No for body as well. Leaves my skin rough. After care, what I do after scrubbing, I put on moisturizer, then body oil sometimes. That's all. If I'm going out, then sunscreen is must. I love scrubbing because it feels relaxing and makes my skin soft for some time. So yeah, that's all. See you very soon. Bye bye.